What if I told you that by using a few easy strategies, you could triple your monthly savings? And in this video, I'm going to show you 7 psychological money saving tactics that will help you save hundreds of dollars per month. And word on the street is that if you subscribe now, you'll save a newborn tiger. So subscribe now. Tactic number 1. Increase your earnings. The truth is that your ability to save is limited by your income. If you're currently earning minimum wage, saving a significant amount of money will be difficult. And the only way to better your situation is to boost your income. For some, this could mean taking on a second part-time job, undertaking freelance work, or improving your abilities to earn a better hourly income. Tactic number 2. Calculate the hourly cost. Converting the cost of your purchases into work hours is the second tactic. For example, if you earn $20 per hour at your job, purchasing that new $100 t-shirt will take you 5 hours. Is that t-shirt truly worth 5 hours of slaving away at my job? When you begin to consider your purchases in this perspective, you'll become more aware of how much a personal investment they were during their period, prompting you to think twice before overspending and allowing you to save more money over time. Tactic number 3. Only use cash. Whether you're purchasing groceries or a new phone, one of the finest money-saving tactics is to only spend cash. Spending cash makes us recognize the monetary consequences of our actions. This is because when we pay with cash, we're physically handing over money and seeing the depletion in our wallets. However, when we pay with credit or debit card, the potential outflow appears to be practically limitless. Furthermore, if you don't want to break a large $50 or $100 bill and have to carry around a lot of change, you might as well forego purchases altogether, allowing you to save more money than you might with credit cards. Tactic number 4. Big purchases can wait. Sleep allows you to save money in 2 ways. First, without enough sleep, your decision-making abilities are impaired, and you are more likely to engage in dangerous or monetary activity. As a result, that car you'd never consider buying could end up in your driveway. Second, sleep gives you time to think about major purchases. Allow your unconscious mind to analyze and examine the information associated to the transaction while you sleep on significant purchases. Tactic number 5. Consider your future wealthy self. Sure, $5 for a Starbucks coffee may not seem like much, but what if I told you that $5 might be worth more than $100 by the time you retire? Isn't it possible that you alter your mind? The next money-saving tactic is to image yourself as a future wealthy person whenever you consider making a new purchase, no matter how big or small. Ask yourself if spending this money will get you closer or further away from living your dream life. Tactic number 6. Make use of automatic deductions. Automatic deduction will perform wonders for those of us who have little control over our expenditures. If you're unfamiliar with automatic deductions, they operate like this. Whenever you get paid, a percentage of your money gets deducted from your main bank account. Typically, people will set up a savings account into which the money is funneled, which in certain situations is not available to a large amount of money, allowing the money to compound. Tactic number 7. Don't use social media. Every time we go on Facebook, Instagram, or any other social media platform, we appear to be swamped with advertisements. From workout apparel to the newest gizmo, we seem to be exposed to just as much sponsored content as the photographs and videos we want to view. Aside from being bad for productivity, these apps cause us to spend much more money, reducing our ability to save money. Personally, I've been able to triple my income in the last 3 years by finishing my master's degree and earning my CPA designation. But I understand that accounting isn't for everyone. Find what works for you and combine that with the previously mentioned saving tactics, and you'll have more money than you know what to do with. That's all, folks. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment for more content. See you in the next one.